Clayton Bailey here, Green Scene Home Inspection. So I just want to do a little winter maintenance preparation for, what happens when we have another snowmageddon. So we got a lot of phone calls of people like pipes are burst and we don't know how to turn off our water. So we're here at the curb at your main, where your main water meter is. We've got this type of key. Okay, I would recommend this type of key versus the one that's like a little cross because they don't break as bad. So we're gonna open it up. First off, I always like to have a crescent wrench and some pliers so that if I need to, in an emergency, do this, I've got some extra leverage with these pliers to be able to twist it one way or another. So sometimes your water meter, you got to be able to grab it, and that wrench can help you turn that a little bit stronger when you can't really get a lot on it, okay? So the other thing that I want to do is, before winter hits, maybe throw a towel down over that valve and over your meter itself, so that way if it's frozen, you can pull that towel back and then you can actually get to that a lot quicker. And then the other thing I would recommend is, let's go ahead and put a little marker sort of somewhere by your meter, so that way even if there's a whole bunch of snow out here, in the event of emergency and that pipe does burst in your house, you know where your meter's at. You don't have to go digging through the snow to find it. So just a few tips how to prepare for the next snowmageddon. Clayton Bailey, Green Scene Home Inspections, we're out.